I finally reached my goal of hitting $20,000 a month with my web design agency. And I wrote this exact goal of hitting $20,000 a month for past 2 years straight. And finally, yeah, it didn't happen last year, but in this year, it happened in just 3 months. And no, it's not from my affiliate revenue. As you can see, I only make around $300 a month. And you guys should also know that literally 2 years ago, I was cleaning toilets, mopping floors, and I was working in a bread factory from 6 in the evening until 6 in the morning. And even with multiple part-time jobs, I was in crippling debt because I was in a uni and I had 20,000 pounds in student loan and I had -7 pounds in the bank account. And this part of my story, I haven't shared with anyone. This is the first time since I was working in a sushi restaurant and these guys were not willing to give food for the employee. So to save money, what I did is to eat food from the leftover from the table the customers just left. Instead of throwing this into the garbage, I took that food and I ate it. This is how miserable I was just 2 years ago. And I couldn't believe that I could start a profitable business and leave that forsaken country, the UK, the miserable weather, and start traveling full time by making online money. And I'm not making these videos to flex on you guys. I genuinely wanted to share my happiness and I wanted to let you know that it is possible. If a guy like me who came from nothing, couldn't speak in English. 5 years ago, I couldn't speak in English and I was confident. I felt like I was an introvert and I changed my life 360. And if I can do it, you can do this as well. And the good news is not just with my agency, there's lots of other good news happening last month. For example, I finally monetized my YouTube channel. Right now we are in 2,400 subscribers and drum rolls please, after monetizing my channel, I finally made $30. Yes, and it's not just all about money. And thank you so much for all the people who supported me in this channel, all the people who subscribed, liked, comment, shared my videos. Thank you so much. It means a lot. And it's not just about the $30 or making money with YouTube. I promised myself that when I was 18, I promised myself I will have my own 100,000 silver play button. I still have this picture on my wall back in my house in India that I literally drew that I'm gonna have this play button. So I'm just making this to make my childhood dream come true. And we just need 98,000 subscribers to get the silver play button. So make sure to subscribe. And another good news is all of my coaching members who worked with me for past couple of months, they have been getting crazy results. And especially for these two guys have been killing it, made their first 5,000 a month with their agency. And it's just because I started working in a new strategy, which is not just working for me and it's working for these guys. And I'm genuinely happy that they started making money with my help. And some of these guys were almost giving up on their dreams. And just because of me, they started sparking the fire in them and they are going crazy and started stacking more clients, which genuinely makes me happy. And I've just launched a new Instagram account where I'm posting lots of valuable content on how to have your own profitable web design agency. You can search Goutham Scales to find it or just click the link in the description. Or if you need some help, you can also DM me and I will send you all the scripts I'm using within my agency to close all those clients. And another important announcement I wanted to make is that I have been a bit lazy for past 6 months since I've left the UK because life has been a bit chill. After moving to Bali, since I'm making monthly recurring revenue, I don't really need too much money to have a good life. I'm barely spending 3,000 to 4,000 a month. And that's why I was a bit stagnated. I was only making the same monthly recurring revenue and I was not pushing myself and I was a bit lazy and I was not even going out. All the things I want, I'm just, there's an app called Gojek and Uber Eats. It's like a Uber Eats. So they will just bring everything to my house. So I was getting lazy and I also got chubby, which I hate being like this. So I need to change something. So from today, it's 1st of April 2026. I'm going to challenge myself to start doing cold calling to increase my revenue and client bases inside my agency. It's been a while since I started doing cold calling, and it's a totally new demographics. I'm going to try a totally new strategy with totally new scripts. And I'm going to keep on uploading those cold calling videos in my YouTube. And on top of it, I'm going to also challenge myself to get strong and lean physically before the summer hits. And for this challenge, I'll be documenting my entire journey. I'll be posting lots of short form videos and long form videos, and all the cold calls I'm doing, I'll be posting those as well. It's going to be helpful for you guys to know what to do to close that much clients. And on top of it, I'll be posting a day in a life video in Bali. So if you don't want to miss it, make sure to subscribe. I'm making this video not just to share my happiness. I want myself to keep accountable. Since I don't have any friends or business partner with me, I have to keep myself accountable, and that's why I'm posting this video on YouTube. Since I promised myself and it's online, you guys can see, I have to keep my word, and I will keep my word. And that's all I wanted to share in this video. And there's lot more coming in. There are lots of new updates. So if you don't want to miss it, make sure to subscribe, and I will see you guys in the next video. Peace.